class. It's time to start with a new topic, that is patterns. So let's have a look on aims and objectives of the topic. To enable them to complete pattern involving numbers and operations. Next one is to enable the child to generate patterns on their own. Now, let's have a look at mind mapping. That means what comes to your mind when you hear the word pattern. First word is design. In pattern, there are many designs. Next one, sequence. Next one, numbers, because patterns can be of numbers also. Next is bed sheets. Mostly you have seen certain type of designs in the bed sheets which are getting followed again. That means we are talking about patterns. And the next one is sofa cover. There are some important terms of this lesson. First is pattern, a repeated decorative design. Knowledge, facts, information, and skills acquired through experience or education. Next one, improve, make or become better. Next is code, a system of words, letters, figures, or symbols used to represent others. Next is observe, notice or perceives that register it as being significant. Mental ability, the power to learn or retain knowledge. Leisure time, that is free time. Secret, not known or seen or not meant to be known. These are some important terms. Now, let's have a look at the explanation of this chapter. Hello kids, today we will discuss about patterns. Pattern means a kind of similarity, a connections or a relationship among pictures, designs, numbers, events, etc. Here we keep the discussion about patterns. Now see, complete a pattern of shapes, complete pattern of numbers and letters, decipher numbers pattern in addition, write coordinate messages. Patterns are in geometrical shape or numerical shapes. Now look here, there are different types of shapes. Some are numerical or some are geometrical. Where can you find patterns? Now see, the pattern is music, investments, sleep habits, nature. Now look here, next one. See the pattern in nature. In nature, you see different type of flowers, different type of sceneries. This is a pattern in nature. Now look here. This is a pattern. There are different type of pattern in nature. Nature is so beautiful. This is also depend on pattern. Now see here, Indian printing blocks. Here are some blocks which is made up of different designs. This is designs of patterns. Now here are block painting, a block of flower. Now look here. This block of a flower make different type of patterns. We are very much familiar with the words pattern. Now look here. See here, a block of a flower. Now this is design of flower painting. In this way we can see different designs, or this is a Block painting design. A pattern using the flower block. Now next is a pattern in numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12. This is a pattern in numbers. Now see, a pattern is something that is arranged by using a rule. These patterns are made up by sorting these shapes using a rule. Can you find the next step in these patterns? Now think what will come next. Now patterns can also be made using the different numbers. Here are numbers. You can use the patterns and you can use the numbers to make a different patterns. See, the answer to pattern can be found in a number of different ways. The pattern is to add 2 to the number before it. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Now next one, the pattern is to add 3 to the number before it. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13. Complete the pattern. Now look here what will be the next. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12 and next will be 15. Correct. Now pattern can be found everywhere. Numbers, shapes, size and telling sometime can be made by using the patterns. Now see, this is a different type of pattern. So a pattern is a series of objects or numbers which repeat in a pre-decided manner. Pattern can be formed using the shapes, numbers and letters of the alphabet. Pattern can be deciphered in addition. Coded secret messages also have a pattern in them. I hope you have learned a lot of this chapter. Thank you.